rainy season in South Korea is crazy.
You'll see a castle in Spain through your window pane. Back in your own backyard.
This is the kind of weather where you may as well not use an umbrella because you get soaking wet even if you do use one.
And yet you still use an umbrella.
Gotta keep this one part of me dry, right here.
Back in your own backyard.
Oh, we gotta go to this candy store sometime.
Yeah, I second that.
I've been meaning to for a long time. 7-Eleven? What? In Korea? So, for reference, this is usually like a 2-inch deep stream, right?
Yeah, and it's not like, it's only like half as wide as it is right now.
Not even.
Not even. This is our nature trail. We walk on this nature trail. Okay, this is our nature trail. That down there.
That's a whole lot of nature. Yeah, no, we're not gonna go walking on the nature trail today. Come up.
Not such a good idea.
Nah, and I'm a terrible swimmer.
You'll see a castle in Spain through your window pane.
Good Lord, that just took 10 years off my life. You never know what you'll see out here.
Never.
The streets are crazy, man.
Wild.